Hamster Kombat Mini Game today. Yeah, this is actually different. Yeah, you can see short hexagon tile stacks and gets coins. So this is different, and when you go ahead and click on play, this is exactly how to play it. You see there are three hexagon down here. You just have to take it and drop it right there in the shape. You take the next one, you place another one. When two that look alike stay together, they merge, you get, and you can see the orange. If you go ahead and place the next orange to it, you see it will merge. And each time you do that, each time you're able to merge, your coin balance, you can see the balance reading up there, because when you started it actually began from zero. Okay, so as you're adding it, as you're merging hexagons together, the coin balance is increasing up there. Yeah, for any color, just make sure you get two colors that look alike and then add it together, and it will mesh together and add up to be a price. And when you merge each one continuously, like up to 12 or so, and you can even turn this around, you can rotate it by just holding your phone screen and sliding it to the direction that you want it to be. But the crazy thing about this game is that for as long as you keep playing it, like, this is the shortest I could actually make this video, because I spent more than 30 minutes right here. The difference between this and the games in the playground is that this one doesn't have any advertisements attached to it, you get, no single ads. But the problem is, for how long are you going to play it? Because it's true that the coin balance keeps on increasing and increasing. At the point I got around 17 million or so, but how long are you going to play before you actually get to see that you have won this? So I decided to actually bring you updates about how the mini game currently is, because they just changed it today. Yeah, so you can see how this actually works. And when you merge up to three together, and it has to be the same color, it will just add up to your balance. Now you can go ahead and try this game and let me know if it's something that you want to keep playing. And you can also go ahead and keep watching this and give me your feedback in the end of the game. Yeah, I'll have to shut up right now so that you just observe how it all went, and observe the balance up there and see how far it actually adds up. It's just this simple. Okay, make sure to hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get the next upload that I'll make in this regard. Yeah, I got your back in all this Hamster Kombat stuff. Meanwhile, there's an important update that is loading, another super airdrop that you don't want to miss, just like dogs that just paid. Meanwhile, if you have not sold your dogs and you want to sell, you can join our Telegram channel.